Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the official Bloodlust collection. I figured why wait, we're going to go ahead and dive right on into the palette. Upon opening this box, it is a different shape. We do have the nice bumper that all of the palettes were shipped with, along with the purple velvet box with the crown and Jeffree Star logo. I know this palette, people had real feelings about it. Either they were really excited or they according to Twitter and stuff, were kind of let down. I knew I was going to get it because it completes my collection, although and I'm just a fan of cool colors in general, but what really sold me on the palette was this color here, the Executioner. I was so excited to see how that one performed alone. I didn't care about the rest of the color story. I just wanted to try that particular one, and because of that, I picked up this palette. Your Majesty, Take the Crown, Deviant, Beauty Sleep, Wet Jewel, and Royal Pain. Dungeon, ooh. Scandal Water. Sworn Enemy. Pink Magic, Bleeding Heart, Executioner, the one and only. Whew, look at that. You gotta love it. And we're not even done yet. High King, Vivid Mood, Monarchy, Blood Queen, Vile Serpent, Hello Slytherin House, and Betrayal. So here are all the swatches of the Bloodlust palette. Quite a beautiful arrangement. I'm actually really liking that Vile Serpent color, and then of course Executioner. Now in case you're wondering how I created this particular eye look, I did use the Executioner, Vivid Mood, and Deviant. And then all over the lid I have of course Wet Jewel. But guess what guys? That's not all I picked up. I was able to go to my local Morphe store where they still had the palette and the mini bundle in stock. So I went ahead and picked it up, but I still have other items still arriving from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics directly. So here, of course, we have the Purple Mini Velour Liquid Lipstick Collection, Queen Bitch. Opening her up, I have a few of these shades already from other bundles or mystery boxes or what have you, but here is the entire collection. So we have Royal Armor, I'm Vulgar, I'm Royalty, Scorpio, Virginity, Blow Pony, which I'm currently wearing on my lips, mwah, Clout, and Berries on Ice. Let's go ahead and swatch them, shall we? The Royal Armor. I'm Vulgar, I'm Royalty, Scorpio, Virginity. Oh, it is there. It's just a very, very light color. Blow Pony is already on my lips, but I'll go ahead and swatch it for you now. So Blow Pony, Clout, Berries on Ice. Ooh, that's a dark one. I like it. So there we have it. Royal Armor, I'm Vulgar, I'm Royalty, Scorpio, Virginity, Blow Pony, Clout, and Berries on Ice. Ooh la la. And of course, this box will go ahead right on the pile where it belongs. I do have the others, Equality, the Nudes 1 and 2. I just packed away the boxes and hopefully I'll be able to put them out here and complete the beautiful collection. But alright guys, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And I will see you guys next time. I hope you have a fabulous day. Mwah! Bye-bye.